Good morning, everyone. The cafe is open.
I am cleaning minus the tables. They are mined shiny.
I have many plates. 1, 2, 3, 4.
These lemons are yellow. They are fresh.
I put flowers on the table. So pretty. The wind is cool. I love the sea.
The coffee beans smell very good. I need a lot of ice. It was cold.
We are ready for our guests today.
Simba! Way! Look, a customer is coming now.
Hello. Welcome to our beach cafe. Hello. Can I see the menu?
Yes. Here is the menu, sir. Your claim.
I want a fresh coconut, please. 1 coconut. Anything else, sir? I want a piece of cake, too.
The coconut is big and heavy. I am making minus sweet ice cream. Now, Warnham, the food they have looks mine is great.
I am making coffee for the guest. Please wait for 1 minute. The milk is hot and white. Look at the leaf. It is beautiful.
This mango juice is very fresh.
I shake Private ice. It is minus noisy.
The drink is purple. It is cold. Listen to the bubbles. Pop, pop, pop.
I prepare minus the Ninus tray. It is minus clean.
Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
This cake is very sweet.
Would you like some fresh bread, sir?
Yes, please. Thank you very much.
We are very busy today. Look at all the happy people. We are working hard today.
Lime is sour, but it is good. This salad has many fruits. Woo!
Here is a napkin. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
The counter is clean now.
The spoons are silver and small.
It is 4 o'clock. We are busy.
I keep the shop tidy.
Look at the butterfly. It is pretty.
The music is soft and slow.
Thank you. You are very kind.
You're welcome. The sun is setting. Time to clean. The shop is quiet now. Let's turn off the bright lights.
Everything must be clean for tomorrow.
We did a great job, Erin.
The work is finished. I am tired.
I love that. I love this quiet time with you.
Look at the moon. It is white. What is your favorite drink? Good night, Minus everyone. See you, Ninus, soon.
Tell us in the comments, please.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next story.